take of a card. That's not how it works, okay? It's not how it works. When someone's winning consistently, they will come out and they'll change the shoe. The shoe is that little box, in case you didn't understand what I meant by that. On the table, there's this big box of multiple decks of cards, and they're all stacked in there in a specific order. It's stacked in a way where anybody that understands the game of poker, it will lead them to take a specific card and say, okay, I'm going to try to play this, and I'll discard that. It's not perfect. It's not perfect, but it at least primes them to play the cards that they're given. But if you start making consistent wins at that table, they're going to come out and change the shoe. Not because they ran out of cards. They want to disrupt you because you have now counted the deck. You have that shoe understood. You know exactly what's coming out. That's why card counters are not allowed to play in casinos. Let me tell you something. I don't care. This is my perspective, and you can have a different opinion. But if someone comes in, even with partners, and they're counting cards together, and they have electronic devices telling the other person at the table, hey, look, this is good, this is not good. How the fuck's that cheating? That's not cheating. They don't know what those cards are. They don't know what they are. They're just counting. They have a card counting system. They don't know what card they're going to get. They're just playing the odds of what's still available in that deck. How many face cards are still there? How many aces are still there? And when the deck or the shoe goes cold, they got to get away from that table. But they'll cut your arms off in casinos. You start taking big money from them like that, you won't leave with that money. You won't be allowed to cash those chips in. And they're going to try to prosecute you. Imagine that. And here they are, cheating the entire time. Cheating the absolute entire time, guaranteeing that you have all the odds against you. But when you start winning, oh, no, you're a cheat. We can't have you here. You got to go. The market doesn't like card counters either. And when you know, they make it a little bit harder for you. I'll just say it that way, okay? So what you want to do is learn what it does, how it books price, and then casually grow over a period of time. Don't flash in the pan, go out there and try to run it up real quick, because all you're going to do is put a spotlight on you. And that will start being a problem for your trades. They'll slip you, they'll requote you. Other things that I'm not going to talk about here, but same treatment as a card counter, let's put it that way, but just in a different approach. So if we can agree, just for the sake of